To turn on or turn off iTunes Store notifications in iPhone 7, open Settings, select Screen on the left, Advanced Settings, and then tap Settings, select Notifications, scroll to notification screen, find iTunes Store, and then tap iTunes Store. To turn on iTunes Store notifications, tap Allow notification switch until green, or to turn off, tap switch until white. Tap switch until green to turn on, or tap switch until red to turn off. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.